Rediscover the confidence that comes from seeing your hair regain its natural depth with this powerful hair darkening shampoo soap bar. Each wash feels like a gentle renewal, helping your strands appear richer, smoother and more vibrant. It speaks to anyone longing to revive a look that feels youthful and full of life. As your hair transforms, so does the way you carry yourself, more assured, more radiant, more you. Let this simple daily ritual bring back the color and softness you've been missing. Number 1. New Polygonum Hair Darkening Shampoo. The new Polygonum Hair Darkening Shampoo Soap Bar brings a comforting sense of renewal to anyone wishing to see their gray or white strands slowly regain a deeper shade. With every gentle wash, your hair begins to look more alive, carrying a smooth flow that reminds you of youthful days. The blend inspired by Hishyu essence creates a soothing experience that feels both calming and uplifting, giving your mind a quiet confidence as your appearance transforms. Many individuals searching for a natural shift in their look find reassurance in this rich formula, because it turns a daily routine into a moment of personal care. As the color appears richer and the texture feels healthier, you start noticing how your reflection carries a renewed spirit, making you feel more assured in your presence and eager to enjoy the change growing with each Washington. Number 2. 100 ml Magic Natural Herbal Hair Dye Shampoo. The 100 ml Magic Natural Herbal Hair Dye Shampoo invites you to experience a gentle shift that brings back depth to dull or gray strands. With each wash, you notice your hair gaining a richer tone that feels warm and full of life, creating a sense of comfort that many people long for when seeking a natural appearance. The smooth texture glides through your hair, making the process feel simple while giving you a quiet hope that your look can evolve without stress. Individuals who wish to restore dark brown or black shades often find relief in how easily this shampoo blends into their routine, turning an ordinary moment into a small act of self-care. As the color becomes more vibrant, you begin to sense a renewed confidence growing inside you, helping you feel more assured in your daily presence and proud of the transformation happening gradually. Number 3. 200 400ths ml Black Dyed Shampoo Black Hair. The 200 ml and 400 ml Black Dyed Shampoo offers a calming sense of renewal for anyone wishing to bring natural depth back to fading strands. As the gentle herbal blend inspired by ginseng, ginger and Ganoderma lucidum touches your hair, you begin to notice a slow return of richness that feels warm and comforting. The soothing texture encourages a moment of self-care, helping you believe that your look can regain strength without worry. People searching for a simple way to revive white or pale strands often feel reassured by the way this shampoo supports a darker tone while keeping the process easy. With every wash, your confidence grows a little more as you see your reflection carrying a deeper shade and a healthier flow, creating a quiet pride in the transformation developing naturally and steadily over time. Number 4. White Hair Darkening Shampoo Soap Restore Grey Beard. The 50-gram White Hair Darkening Shampoo Soap brings a gentle sense of renewal for anyone hoping to restore depth to grey strands or a fading beard. As the smooth lather touches your hair, you begin to feel a quiet shift that brings back a deeper shade, giving your appearance a warm and natural look. Many individuals searching for an easy way to refresh their style find comfort in how simply this soap blends into daily care. Each wash becomes a small moment that lifts your confidence, helping you believe that your natural color can return without stress. The steady change encourages a calm pride as your reflection slowly regains richness, making your hair and beard appear healthier and more defined. With every use, you notice a growing sense of strength in your presence, allowing you to feel more assured and satisfied with the transformation taking shape. Number 5. Long-Lasting Bubble Hair Dye Shampoo Natural. The long-lasting bubble hair dye shampoo creates a gentle feeling of renewal for anyone wishing to bring back depth and warmth to their hair. As the soft bubbles coat each strand, you notice a calm shift that allows the natural ginger-inspired color to settle smoothly, giving your look a richer and more defined tone. People who want an easy way to refresh their appearance often feel relieved by how effortlessly this shampoo blends into a simple routine. Each wash becomes a quiet moment of care that helps restore confidence, especially when dry strands begin to feel softer and more alive. The gradual return to a deeper black shade feels reassuring, allowing you to see your reflection with a sense of pride and balance. With steady use, your hair appears stronger and more vibrant, creating a renewed presence that brings comfort, satisfaction and a feeling of personal revival.